These next slides show how we purpose-build a solution for management, for sales, and then drive workplace implementation. For managers, we make sure that they understand the theory behind the processes we want to put in place and understand the sales performance improvement cycle. The manager as coach is the most critical part of the management role. So we talk about their role and the coaching process that they need to follow. We then make sure that managers are capable of providing follow-up coaching by seeing the coach's process modeled and being observed and coached themselves to the point where they acquire genuine expertise. We also talk about conversational coaching. This is informal coaching and the day-to-day coaching that managers undertake as part of their regular discussions and conversations with their people. And we believe that having a coaching mentality and informally coaching in the workplace is as important as running formal coaching sessions. The next stage is to consider the purpose-built solution we designed for salespeople. They need to understand the sales process to follow, what are the key sales skills they must visibly be able to execute, both in inbound and outbound roles in call centers, conversational selling, which applies to call centers as well as people in customer service and retail environments. Upselling and cross-sell is an important part of any sales role, and we're also involved in developing sales skills for account development and field-based salespeople with a larger portfolio of significant clients. We help with lead generation and business generation tactics. We create for every organization that we work with a sales standards execution model, which is customized and allows salespeople and those around them to understand exactly what level of skill and execution is required. We then focus on workplace implementation. License to Coach is a primary program for Prosell and is overviewed on the next slides. We also have a License to Sell program. Both of these license programs accredit people in the workplace for having reached the standard required, both in terms of skills and quality of execution and the results that they deliver to the business. There are a range of options to manage workplace implementation, and Prosell is flexible, and therefore we are able to run face-to-face sessions, review over the telephone, and also construct plans and review sessions with those who are going through the program. We make sure team leaders and managers have coaching plans which can be accurately implemented, monitored, and followed to the point that coaching is happening regularly. We talk about conversational coaching in the hospitality and retail environment, and again make sure that the coaching is happening and being supported. We also make sure progress reporting takes place. As with any discipline, if it's not reported on and discussed and reviewed, it falls away quickly. So we make sure organizations are capable of reporting on the coaching activity they carry out, the sales development plans that are created from that coaching, the effectiveness of the coaching through measuring results and improvements, and also ultimately the change in results for the whole business as a result of the program.